Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and today I'll talk about an essential topic for anyone dealing with psoriasis, as many people are confused between what they should do and what they should not do. So today I am here to clarify all the doubts about the do's and don'ts for psoriasis patient. These tips are simple yet powerful for managing psoriasis effectively. So let us start by understanding what you should avoid and begin with the don'ts. Number one is to avoid hot showers. I know a hot shower feels soothing, especially during winter, but it's not one of the worst things you can do for your skin. Hot water strips away natural oils, making your skin dry and itchy, which can worsen psoriasis, so it is important to stick to lukewarm water instead. Number two is to stay away from woolen clothing. While it's tempting to bundle up in thick woolens, they can irritate your skin when in direct contact. So opt for breathable cotton as your first layer and add warm clothing on top, which can help breathe your skin and make your psoriasis manageable even in winter. Number three, don't scratch or itch. Psoriasis can make your skin unbearable itchy, but scratching or itching can lead to bleeding and cracks, increasing the risk of infection. Try to distract yourself and use moisturizers to calm the itch. I totally recommend C. Ayurveda's products, which are very beneficial to managing psoriasis in all season, as these products are specially made for psoriasis patients to improve their quality of life. Number four, say no to harsh soaps and shampoos. Products with harsh chemical can irritate your skin. Use gentle psoriasis friendly products like Soria body wash and Soria shampoo. They help to manage psoriasis naturally without any side effect and also maintain your skin health for the future. Number five, limit spices and hot foods. Limiting spices and hot food is crucial for managing psoriasis. Spicy food can trigger inflammation and heat within the body, potentially worsening your psoriasis symptoms like redness, itching and scaling. Hot spices such as chili and black pepper can irritate the digestive system, causing flare-ups in individuals. Instead, opt for cooling and anti-inflammatory foods like fresh fruits, vegetables and herbs like coriander or fennel. By minimizing spices and hot foods, you can reduce triggers, improve skin health and support overall psoriasis management effectively. Now that we have covered the don'ts, let us move on to what you should do to keep your psoriasis in check. Number one, wear cotton layers. Wearing cotton layers is highly beneficial for psoriasis patients. Cotton is a breathable natural fabric that helps regulate body temperature, reducing the risk of overheating, which can trigger flare-ups. Its soft texture minimizes friction and irritation on sensitive inflamed skin, providing a soothing barrier against discomfort. Number two, stay moisturized and hydrated. Staying moisturized and hydrated is essential for managing psoriasis effectively. Dry skin can worsen psoriasis symptoms, leading to itching, flaking and irritation. Use a thick, fragrance-free moisturizer or products specifically designed for sensitive skin to lock in moisture and maintain a healthy skin barrier. Ingredients like shea butter, glycerin and ceramides are particularly beneficial, and all these ingredients are available in C. Ayurveda's product. So you do not have to worry about collecting them. Just go to the description box, click the link and manage your psoriasis. Number three, use non-steroidal products. When managing psoriasis, choosing non-steroidal products can be a game changer for long-term skin health. Steroid-based treatments may offer quick relief but often come with side effects like skin thinning and dependency. Instead, opt for natural Ayurvedic solutions like C. Ayurveda's Soria Kit, designed to soothe inflammation, reduce scaling and promote skin healing. These herbal products are enriched with ingredients like neem, turmeric and aloe vera, which are known for their anti-inflammatory and skin nourishing properties. Regular use not only alleviates psoriasis symptoms but also help restore the skin's natural balance without any harmful chemicals, making it a safe and sustainable treatment choice. Number four, stick to your treatment plan. Sticking to your treatment plan is crucial for managing psoriasis effectively. Psoriasis is a chronic condition and consistent treatment can help control flare-ups and improve overall skin health. Deviating from your prescribed treatment regimen may lead to the worsening of psoriasis or delay in healing. It's important to follow the doctor's advice on medication, topical treatment and lifestyle changes to achieve the best results. Number five, practice yoga or meditation. Practicing yoga and meditation can be highly beneficial for psoriasis patients. These practices help reduce stress, a common trigger for psoriasis flare-ups. Yoga, through its gentle postures and stretches, can improve blood circulation, enhances flexibility and reduces inflammation. And meditation promotes relaxation and mindfulness, helping individuals manage emotional stress and anxiety, which are known to worsen skin conditions. Additionally, both yoga and meditation foster a holistic approach to healing, supporting mental, physical, and emotional well-being. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can complement other psoriasis symptoms and improve the overall quality of life. Remember, managing psoriasis is not just about what you apply to your skin but also about your overall lifestyle. By following these simple do's and don'ts, you can take control of your condition and lead a healthier, happier life. So that is all for today's video, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips, leave a comment below. And if you are suffering from psoriasis, don't hesitate to call us at the number mentioned in the video, and we are here to help to combat these skin problems. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and keep smiling.